Hey everybody, in this video of Let's Talk Math, we're gonna learn what is and how to use additive inverse. So additive inverse. Well, we use additive inverse when subtracting or adding negative and positive numbers. Like for example, when you are adding 6 plus negative 4. Now, what we do is we make it easier to add or subtract, right? So what we do is we leave the first number the same, and we would change whether we subtract or add, and then we change the sign of the second number. So in this case, 6 stays the same. Instead of adding, we subtract, and negative 4 becomes 4, and that would be 6 minus 4. And then let's say you also have 6 minus negative 4. In this case, we add, and negative 4 becomes 4. So that would be 6 plus 4. First, we have 8 minus negative 2. Now, 8 would stay the same. Instead of subtracting, we add, and negative 2 becomes 2. And 8 plus 2 equals 10. Next, let's say we have 7 plus negative 3. 7 stays the same, and instead of adding, we subtract, and negative 3 becomes 3, and 7 minus 3 equals 4. Last but not least, we have 13 plus negative 5. 13 stays the same. Instead of adding, we subtract, and negative 5 becomes 5. And 13 minus 5 equals 8. Now that we have solved this problem, let's review what did we learn today. We learned to use additive inverse to switch whether you are subtracting or adding, and you switch the sign of the second number. That is all for this video, so please put in the comments below what else you'd like to learn, and like this video. I'll also be posting more videos with negative and positive numbers, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and check my other videos out. Bye!